Hello everyone, welcome back to my new session on French cuisine. This is Chef Shailendra Darekar, Assistant Professor at ISSMS College of HMCT, Pune. So let's begin our session with objective of the session. So today we'll be talking about introduction to French cuisine, its history of French cuisine, influence and culture influence of culture on region, special features which with the respect of equipment and ingredients used in the French cooking, some popular dish and its explanation. So let's begin our session with introduction of French cuisine. The French have always been proud of their speculated way of cooking. Fertile soil provide fresh fruits, vegetables, herbs, grain, and meat nearly all around the year to the French people. The soil is also suitable for growing grapes, from where they prepare wines. And as we know, French wines are one of the best wine in the world. Food and alcohol play important role in French society. The way person eat often reflect their French heritage, region of birth, social status, and health. During the time of Louis XIV, around year 61, 1661, 1715, the nobility or upper class citizen would have hold around a whole day or 12 hours feast with 10 different dishes or more, maybe more than that dishes with great presentation. The food was given a lot of emphasis on the taste and quality and the ingredients used. Such elaborate feasts were too expensive and required too much time for the common people to prepare for themselves, but others were also able to enjoy exotic food and spices such as kumat fruit, yellow saffron brought from the African Asian by the explorer. These food were quick incorporated in French cuisine and diet. What is the influence of culture on French cuisine? As you can see on the picture on the right hand side, a lot of dishes are mentioned in pictures and culture. So the economic condition, lifestyle, and the culture, of course, have formed the local food tradition in different areas. Farm cheese found in the mountain region, such since they over difficult and long winter, so they can preserve and kept it. Local availability, fresh local ingredients are being transported for long distance for better quality. Their base would, of course, for French gourmandise is known for. For example, community of area where herbs and fruit grow easily will use them in their local cuisine. So a lot of emphasizes on local produce and local use in the restaurants or in cooking. Immigrant and neighborhood countries also influenced the culture and cuisine of France, such as French, Italian food, Spanish food on the border, introduced in introduced in French cuisine. A lot of people also travel and migrated from Italy or Spain to France, and it also impacted on food culture of France. Bit of history of French cuisine. The historical background of French food goes back to medieval time. During this era, French cuisine was fundamentally the same as Moorish cuisine. During 15th to 16th century, the French were influenced by the progressive culinary art in Italy. During 17th and 18th century, there was an advancement in haute cuisine or simply high cuisine as it originated can be discovered in the recipe of gourmand's specialty named La Varenne. In 19th century, mid-20th century, they started modernizing haute cuisine. Much of the new dishes owned improved by the great chef George Escoffier Augustine. Augustine was the chef and pioneer of numerous restaurant starting business and culinary writing. As you can see in the picture, chef pictures, he also known as the king of chef. Escobar was able to discover modern day French cuisine, what we see nowadays. In this era, he have published a lot of books for the French cuisine, and people and the chefs still refer to his book. He also introduced modern hierarchy of kitchen brigade, what we call, and also popular word mise a plat or doing preparation in advance. He have introduced this in the French cuisine. Let's see some of the special French equipment used in the kitchen. French vinaigrette pot, it's very common in every house. Tamis is a sieve used for sieving the dry item. Egg poacher with a nice hook. Uh, as you know, eggs are very common breakfast in French cuisine. Then stoneware pot, or earthen pot, cast iron pot, which is very popular till dated, one of the best iron used in cooking. Then we have chinois on left hand side, which is nothing but a conical strainer. Few more equipments, mandolin. It's a very good slicing machine, very thin and precise slicing of vegetables can be done in there. Poissonniere or fish poacher, a tray or equipment. Then we have frit fricassee or frying machine, which very common in most of the kitchen in all French houses. Suzette pan or crepe Suzette pan, where it is a traditional dessert, authentic dessert of France, which is been used making that dessert. This pan is very easy to use. Then mouli or moule legume, which is uh, used for making mashed potato or puree of potatoes with various attachment, and you can get different consistency throughout through sieving with this machine. Some of the popular ingredients or must ingredients in French cuisine, or you will find it in the French kitchen or cupboard. So Dijon mustard, a classical pungent mustard from France. Then we have truffles, which is found in the hills. Uh, Black truffle, which is very popular in France. It's wild mushroom and difficult to find, very expensive. Then herbal Provence or mixed herbs, specifically grown in France, and you get it in a dry form. Then, as we mentioned, cheeses, various cheese, popular cheese are there from France, and there is a separate course, cheese course, which is served after the meal in most of the restaurant in Italy. Then leek is a common vegetable used in almost all the uh, cooking preparation. We also have popular wines from France used in a cooking. Then rosemary and tarragon is the herbs which are popular in French cuisine. Celeriac is one of the common vegetable which is used in uh, many popular dishes or braised dishes. Serve as accompaniments also. Charcuterie or cured meat is also part of Italian starter and cooking. Let's see some of the popular dishes of French cuisine. French onion soup, classical soup, which have base of a stock wheel stock, and a crude which is kept on the top. A lot of onion and red wine, and some places they also use Guinness dark beer for the cooking. Then we have chocolate souffle, popular dessert. Then baguette and croissant is the bread preparation used in the breakfast. Coq au vin, it's a red wine chicken preparation with bone on. Then beef bourbon, which is mushroom and beef, chunk of beef braised dish served along with potato and mashed potato, sorry, and carrots. Then flamasse, it's a tart preparation, traditional preparation. Crepe Suzette, it's again a dessert. We saw the pan. It's always popular with orange juice, reduction of orange juice. Duck confit, uh, very popular meat preparation, slowly braised duck in the oven. Then we have ratatouille, vegetables cooked in tomato sauce, influence of Italian cuisine. Then Niswa salad, which have tuna fish, some cherry tomatoes, eggs, French beans, potatoes, and olives. So this is all about French cuisine, a little introduction. And as you can see in the picture, a lot of preparation and names of the dish is mentioned. So that is all from my side. Thank you so much for watching my video. These are my references which I use to make this video. I request as a student, please click on the description link given to attend the quiz based on this video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.